akhona atholakele
sesidlulile lapho
ube ngumkami ohlangene nami
siqedile nalokho futhi
ukuba ngibe nawe kusukela namhlanje
nalokho sidlulile
kukuhle noma kukubi
lokho ngikhulumela yena noma ngikhulumela mina
uzohlala naye kukuhle noma kukubi akuzothi makukubi bese uyamshiya
yena noma ngishiya ke
uzofunga naye
hayi ke uma ezofunga sitakamkhulumeli kulungile truth can be
ngicela usho ke emva kwami lo ngishoyo sicebile noma simpofu
vele siphofu suka kumina awusuke kumina kubhaliwe lokubhaliwe mina umkhwenyana suka-ke phela sisibili
sicebile noma simpofu
njengoba vele siphofu
ufuna ukona umshado wakho umkhwenyana
yibuso ufuna ukuthi uya
ekuguleni nasekuphileni
kuba sigula
ngikuthande ngikuthokozise
siyakwenza lokho
size sahlukaniswe ngokufa
no ufebe bakhe ngasikhulumisa phela ngifuna ukuqamba manje ukuthi sohlukaniswa ngokufa manje ngifebela ngithini mina
ngicela kumakona
wenziwani manje.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Yet I don't know how many times ngiyibukelile le video lena, I'm just thinking to myself ukuthi why lo makoti abenzile bakubhaka bomakoti, why lo makoti ashade nelihlanya lelinje, like bra, like I'm just so pissed ngihleli lana watching this thing efonini but iyang-annoya so much. Mkhwenyane lo phaphana kangaka lo khulumana kangaka, and umuntu kokuthi ngeke uzombona emshadweni kuphela, ngeke umbone uqale kumbona ukuthi umuntu uyahlangana nishada, usukumadi nje vele ukuthi lihlanye uvume kulishada lihlanya, because what the hell is he doing? Mfundisi ubathe uyakhuluma laphayana akafuni ukukhuluma lokukhulunywa ngumfundisi, ukhuluma into yakhe lafuna ukukhulumela dona embarrassing magodo wakhe. Guys, this is so sad ukuthi abantu ba desperate for imishado ngalendlela ukuthi yozubeketelele into lefana nalena. I'm asking myself, babe bobhuti bamakoti, bapho malume, baphe bakubo balapha emshadweni, they are all quiet listening to lo mkhwenyana better akhuluma into leti off ngalendlela. Like I am so annoyed right now. Bantu bakhomentsile lapha enkundleni yokuxhumana bakhuluma into leti ningi nabo bayasho ukuthi hayibo mhlolo phela lo siyaqala nje ukuyibona into lenje. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.